Let me ask you this. What is the biggest mistake entrepreneurs make when they're trying to grow and scale their company?
Well, the biggest mistake they make when they're trying to grow and scale their company, number one, is to not know exactly who their avatar is. Because if you don't know exactly who your avatar is, you can't do anything else. You can't create hooks, you can't create stories, you can't create offers, you can't do any of the stuff you need to do. Why? Because you can't use language that resonates with them. The other mistake they meant is that if they do pick an avatar, their avatar is still too general. So you might say, I talked with a guy,
Entrepreneurs.
entrepreneurs, right, okay, or business owners.
Right.
Entrepreneurs is better than business owners because entrepreneur implies somebody who's kind of a bootstrapper or
Sure.
do-it-yourself type thing. But I literally saw a guy in the hall and I'm like, who is your target audience? Oh, business owners. Well, what kind of business owners? What do you mean?
Small
Well,
business owners.
there's a lot of, retail, small business owners, consultants, that kind of thing.
Right.
The reason for that is because even with business, you're still too general in your messaging.
Right.
But if you nail what are the problems that a retail business owner has over somebody who's like a home-based business owner, they have they have some similar problems, but the way they express them are very different. So it's by being able to do that, you can create messages that are going to resonate. Because in the end, the only way you're going to do well with your sales copy is if you can invoke an emotional reaction. If you can't make somebody emotional, they're not going to buy from you. You can have the best offer, you can have the best everything, but if you don't have an emotional hook, if you don't have an emotional story, you're not going to sell. You've heard the thing of people buy on emotion, they justify on logic. Well, they'll justify on logic by reading your stuff again after they push the buy button. But if you can't tell a story that makes them going, oh, I gotta have it.
Right.
You gotta give them that point where it disconnects the logical brain and the emotional brain says, put in the credit card number and get this stuff because we need it and we need it now. This is the answer to our problem.
And I've been on your master classes, your content before you write the book, the copywriting secrets, the new book. What was your biggest breakthrough, let's say in the last year since we met here?
The biggest breakthrough in the last year is being able to use AI to get the first draft of everything done. So everybody's out there using ChatGPT and stuff, and it's okay.
Sure.
But I have actually developed my own suite of AI tools that help you to get to that result a lot faster. Because the challenge with AI is, number one, is the time to figure out how to give you what you want.
Sure.
Number two is to be able to customize it to your particular avatar. And then the third problem is, do you know if what it's giving you is any good or not?
Right. Absolutely.
And so I've taken my frameworks, I put them into the same engine that I use to create all my other software.
Right.
So
Funnel
now,
scripts and everything else.
so funnel scripts, easy online wizards, all that. And now all you have to do is literally just answer questions, whack a button, and not only does it do it really fast, but you can trust that it's using a framework that's actually going to spit something out that's customized the right way to your audience. So that's been the big game changer in the last year.
How can they find the software? Where do they go? Please, you're making me want to get that right now.
So copyandcontent.ai.
Okay.
So that's straightforward domain too. It says what it does. It's on the box.
Thank you so much, Jim. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
See you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.